Good morning. Welcome to Options Center. It is Friday. Welcome. If you are new here, go down to that bottom right hand corner, hit that Options Center logo, and subscribe. We're going to go through ES on multiple time frames for this market prep. Here we go. ES on the monthly. Starting to make a little bit of progress, but still inside month underneath that 8 EMA, so that caused a little bit of trouble. We'll see where the month closes. That will determine if this cross is valid or not. Down to the weekly. On the weekly chart, still kind of the same thing, pushed off the 382. We're looking good, clearing this 42, 50 to 60 area like we've been mentioning all week. We close above this, we have a chance to start moving up and start testing those moving averages again. So looking good so far. We'll see where we close the day. On the daily trend is our friend. All right. Now, overnight, we had a huge move right into resistance and also the 20-day moving average. So no surprise that we're pulling back a little bit. It's not going to show so much here, but we got out of this sort of range between the reversal. We pushed up after, got some follow through, paused yesterday, and we're getting a little bit of follow through today. We'll see how price action happens, but we're over the 8 EMA, so that's the important part. We need to close over that, then we can waste a little time before we have our true breakout. It looks like we had a small breakout from lower time frames. Let's go down there and check it out. And you know what? I don't want to skip behind this. Just in case you're new here, what we're looking for is, after this reversal, we're looking for an A, B, C, all the way up into some sort of range here to get a flat or a triangular pattern sideways before our last move up. Yes, last. All right, and you see it triangulating through the MACD and the RSI, getting real tight in price area. So I do suspect we'll start to break out pretty soon, meaning next week or the week after. Going down to 65, see if we can learn something else on a lower time frame. See what's happening. This is the busy area here. What do we have? We had that low, high, higher low, and we're kind of triangulating. We're trying to get that higher high here, but we have this slight downtrend and uptrend line here where we broke out through last night, came right into the volume shift, the point of control, rejected off there. It's a big area to get above. If we can close above this area, that would be very, very constructive. But after breaking out here, this might be the wall of worry where we start to squeeze and then we consolidate a little bit, squeeze above, consolidate, squeeze for most of the move up. So be on the lookout for day after day. We might get a pause in between, day after day of movement to the upside. This should be a pretty trendy move here up. Okay, so let's check it out from the Elliott wave status. After our A, B, we have a 1, 2 into the 618. That's a garden variety retracement. And now we're looking for this wave 3 to go at least up to the 4450 area after regaining this higher and getting a higher high over this high here. That would be extremely constructive, and that would start to squeeze the shorts more. You're going to see people being super bearish, and they're going to constantly short this whole way up, and that's what's going to provide the fuel for a pretty sharp move throughout the days. Okay, so pay attention to that. Looking good. And now it looks like we have divergence at this point, but you need a crossover with this yellow to blue line to the downside to confirm an actual divergence. And right now it's just moving to the upside. It can make a higher high. You know, it's got room to move. So don't let that persuade you to start shorting. It's not a confirmed divergence yet. Okay. All right. That's all we got here. Good luck trading today. I'm holding long. We're going to roll out some of our weeklies that we had for this Friday into next week, and we're going to hold on tight to them. Okay. Thanks for joining us here at Options Tender. Have a great trading day.